my name is Mai, and I'm excited to help you clean smarter with the Shark AI Robot Self-Empty XL. This is Shark's smartest self-empty robot that has the power to clean your whole home and the intelligence to deep clean targeted areas. Plus, it pairs with the easy-to-use SharkClean App. To get started using the Shark AI Robot Self-Empty XL, you will need to attach side brushes to your robot. Side brushes continuously spin while your robot cleans, pulling in dirt and debris from edges and corners with ease. To do so, flip over your robot on a flat surface and remove the side brushes from its packaging. Apply pressure on the side of the brushes on the left and right sides until you feel them lock into place on the posts. Now, when you begin cleaning, your spinning side brushes will do their job. The next step is properly setting up the true HEPA self-empty base. Not only does this base hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris, but it also includes advanced HEPA filtration to capture and lock 99.97% of allergens. First, find a permanent location for the base in a central location of your home. The area should have a strong Wi-Fi signal so the robot can find its way home. Maintain 3 feet of free space on either side of the base and 5 feet in front of the base. Once you find the best area in your home, plug in the base. The base power indicator icon on the top right of the base will illuminate when the base has power. Make sure the power switch on the back of the base is on in the on or on position. Now that your self-empty base is set up, you can now charge your AI robot. All you need to do is align the back of your robot against the base, ensuring the metal contacts on the bottom of the robot are aligned with the base. When the robot is properly aligned with its back against the base, the charging icon on the top right side of the base will illuminate and the battery icon on the robot will turn on. Your robot will automatically turn on when it's docked on the base. For best results, Shark recommends charging your robot for 6 hours before its first cleaning run. Once your robot is fully charged, it's time to connect your robot to Wi-Fi and the SharkClean app. You can download the SharkClean app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, create a SharkClean account if you haven't already. And if you're like me and find certain apps difficult to set up and use, don't worry, Shark has made it so easy and I now use my app all the time to customize my clean. To get set up, you will be prompted to connect your robot to Wi-Fi. Follow the onboarding screens in the app and ensure you select yes when prompted with, is your robot a Shark AI self-empty? Note, it is important to connect to a standard 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. You can always refer to the instruction booklet that comes with your robot for more information on connecting to Wi-Fi. Once your robot is connected to Wi-Fi, you will be able to unlock the full SharkClean experience. Send your robot on an explore run to map your home. Once complete, you'll receive an interactive home map where you can further customize your clean. You can add no-go zones for areas you'd like the robot to avoid or high traffic zones for areas that tend to get dirtier. My kids always tracking dirt from the backyard, so I set up a high traffic zone by my back door so my robot pays special attention to this area. I can even schedule my robot to clean my whole home on certain days of the week. Out of all the app features, my favorite is the Ultra Clean mode. I just select a room or a single spot and tap Ultra Clean. It has never been easier to target the really dirty areas that need on-demand cleanups. With the AI Robot Self-Empty, Shark uses next generation intelligence to give you a smarter way to clean your home. Now you can truly forget about vacuuming and just enjoy more time in a clean home. If you're looking for more information on the Shark AI Robot Self-Empty and other cleaning tips and tricks, visit us over at sharkclean.com.